Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Go for the moon. Go for the moon. Go for the moon.
Damn about my reputation. The world's in trouble, there's no communication. And everyone can say what they wanna say. It never gets better anyway. So why should I care about a bad reputation? Anyway, no, no, not me. Oh, I know, not me.
Excuse me, I'm lost.
Who are you? Why don't you come to me?
Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi, sur les gouttières ruisselantes. Je l'ai trouvée sur un toit, dans sa traîne brûlante. C'était un matin, ça sentait le café. Tout était recouvert de givre, elle s'était cachée sous un livre et la lune finissait ivre. Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi et sa traîne est brûlée. Elle doit bien savoir qu'elle ne peut pas, ne pourra jamais plus voler. D'autres ont essayé avant elle, avant toi, une autre était là. Je l'ai trouvée repliée sous ses ailes et j'ai cru qu'elle avait froid. Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi. Depuis mes étagères, elle regarde en l'air la télévision en pensant que dehors c'est la guerre. Elle lit des périodiques d'hiver et reste à la maison, à la fenêtre, comptant les heures, à la fenêtre, comptant les heures. Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi, et lorsqu'elle prend son déjeuner, elle fait un bruit avec ses ailes grillées. Je sais bien qu'elle est déréglée, mais je préfère l'embrasser ou la tenir entre mes doigts. Moi aussi j'ai une fée chez moi qui voudrait voler, mais ne le peut pas.
If you love somebody, better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when, well, then again it just depends on how long the time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest river. You can have it all, but now keep moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Been waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I've tried to cut these corners, tried to take the easy way out. I kept on falling short of something. I could've gave up then, but then again I couldn't have, 'cause I've traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Been waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
That's one false step for man, one giant pursuit for mankind.